Alright, elimination using subtraction. Um, so what we're going to do is same thing we did on the other side, only we're not going to be the opposite signs. We're going to be same sign. So one needs to be positive, one needs to be negative. So if you notice here, both positives, negative, negative, but -3, -3. Well, to get rid of one of these needs to be positive, one needs to be negative. So what I do is I just make one of these negative or opposite signs. Okay. So if I think about subtraction, but I just look at the sign. So 2 minus 5. So -3 plus 3 is gone. 2 minus 5 is -3x. 11 minus 14 is -3. Divide by -3. And x equals +1. Alright, so now let's plug this into one of these equations. Doesn't matter. I'm going to go with the first one here. So 2 times 1 is 2. So we got 2 minus 3y equals 11. Minus 2 because we're solving for y. -3y equals 9. Divide by -3. And y equals -3. So our coordinate point is 1, -3. Alright? So just be careful of the signs. If they're same sign, you just make them opposites. Or subtract or multiply by -1. One of those two things will get you what you need.